15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा ये मुल्क अज़ीज़ भारत आज़ाद हुआ। इसकी आज़ादी में जहाँ कलमकारों के मज़ामीन ने और अहले ज़बान खुतबा की तकारीर ने अपना हिस्सा पेश किया, वहीं उलमा के फतवों ने भी एक अहम किरदार अदा किया है। अब बिला ताख़ीर जमात खामसा के तालिब इल्म मोहम्मद साद सल्लमहु को इंग्लिश में ख़िताब के लिए दावत दे रहा हूँ। इस उन्वान के तहत हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी में फतवों का किरदार। मोहम्मद साद सल्लमहु जमात खामसा अंग्रेज़ी ख़िताब के लिए तशरीफ़ लाएँ।
His Excellency Mian Huzur, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, dear audience, and my fellow students, Happy Independence to all of you. Today, we have gathered here to discuss an extremely significant topic, the role of fatwas in India's freedom. In the struggle for India's independence, the ulama and their fatwas played a crucial role. These fatwas strengthened the freedom movement and helped awaken the masses. Today, we will shed light on the historical fatwas that bolstered our fight for independence. First, the revolt of 1857 and the ulama. The revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence, saw significant involvement from the ulama. Prominent scholars like Allama Fazl Khairabadi issued fatwas of jihad against the British. Their fatwas and activities united Muslims to fight against the British and participate actively in the war for freedom. The fatwas of 1857 fueled the spirit of freedom. The leadership of the ulama united the nation. Second, the Khilafat movement. During the Khilafat movement, the ulama issued fatwas calling for rebellion against the British. Leaders like Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar and Maulana Shaukat Ali fought not only for the preservation of the caliphate but also for India's freedom. Their fatwas and activities ignited a passion for independence among the public. The Khilafat movement carried the message of freedom. The ulama's fatwas stirred the hearts of the people. Third, the Deoband movement. Darul Uloom Deoband also played a vital role in the freedom movement. Many scholars issued fatwas against the British. Their fatwas and activities united Muslims and encouraged them to join the freedom struggle. Fourth, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad also played a crucial role in the freedom movement through his fatwas and writings. His fatwas and activities and sermons united public against the British and inspired people to fight for freedom. Abul Kalam Azad's message was the call for freedom, but his fatwas awakened the entire nation. Fifth, Jamiyat Ulama Hind. Jamiyat Ulama Hind also played a prominent role in the freedom movement. Their fatwas and resolutions helped to raise public awareness against the British. They urged Muslims to participate actively in the war for freedom. Sixth and last, post-independence role. Even after independence, the ulama continue to play a role in the nation-building process. Their fatwas and guidance encouraged people towards national unity and harmony. They urged the nation to adhere to moral and social principles. At last, conclusion. The ulama and their fatwas were pivotal in the struggle for India's independence. These fatwas strengthened, united, and awakened and inspired people to resist the British. We must remember their sacrifices and work and effort for the country's progress by following their principles. Fatwas showed the way to freedom. We must remember their sacrifices. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.